let me so be this free and easy. The moment plant a tree, so seeds just spread the seed. Need me. The universe is calling, saying that it need me. Yo, you get hungry, I just let this music feed me. So I take my pen and stab it through the heart of Babylon. I take my pen and stab it through the heart of Babylon. So high, so many times I wanna stay, but I got to travel on. So high, I take my pen and stab it through the heart of Babylon. Side by side we unite, so we see the masses movement. Been a million miles, you can see this where this truth been. You start to riot when you see the movement moving. To the people that we are the heavy, see the movement. See another side of life, try my strike but release, and I'm constantly pressured to be the best. Joshua, please be my life. Baby, I'm trying, if only you could just see my plight. Then we would never in fact to try to survive this fight. So I take my pen and stab it through the heart of Babylon.